Can insurance be under your DBA name? In other words, let's say you have a business and you also have a DBA and you want to set up an insurance policy under the DBA. Is that possible? And how does that work? That's the topic I'm discussing today. I'm Aaron Hall, an attorney for business owners and entrepreneurial companies. And this channel is general educational information to help business owners avoid legal problems and have great companies. All right, so imagine you have an LLC and you set up a separate DBA. Can you set up an insurance policy for the DBA? Well, you can have an insurance policy for the LLC, but a DBA is just a name. So it doesn't need a separate insurance policy. A DBA is simply a name for an LLC. It's an alias, it's a nickname, it's a shortcut. So a DBA is not a separate entity. It doesn't keep its own accounting books. It doesn't have its own bank account. It doesn't file separate taxes. A DBA is not a separate business entity. It's merely a nickname for your business entity. So what's kind of cool about this with a DBA is you could have a business called Jenny's Tractor Company, and then Jenny could also create a DBA called Jenny's Car Repair Company. That could be a DBA for Jenny's Tractor Company. In other words, it's still the same company, but more for marketing or branding purposes. The original name didn't quite work, so she just added a new name. So when you have a business entity, you can either change its name or just add DBAs, which are adding nicknames essentially. So back to the original question, can insurance be under the DBA name? The answer is no. Insurance companies want to know what is the entity that they're insuring. Now you can tell them all the nicknames or all the DBAs that the company has, and that's fine. Insurance companies like to know that. But there's only one entity. There's only one LLC. So a nickname doesn't need a separate insurance policy if the original LLC is insured. So to answer your question, you really can't have insurance under a DBA name. Insurance is for the LLC or the business entity. And then you can have as many DBAs as you want. I'm Aaron Hall, an attorney for business owners. If you have other questions like this, you're welcome to put them in the comments section below. You can subscribe if you want to see the questions I'm answering for other business owners on the channel. And then if you are interested in avoiding common legal problems encountered by new business owners, so you don't go through the same problems that other business owners have, you can get a free handout from me. It's available at aaronhall.com/free. It's a free PDF, and then there are some attached videos that will be sent to you. Again, no charge for this. It's all educational to help business owners avoid common legal problems so that they can grow a successful company and experience a successful life.